This lasagna recipe serves one person and is suited for people with dysphagia. First of all, chop up 30 grams of carrots, roughly into cubes, and then in a pan with olive oil, fry up the onions and carrots until they have softened. Now add in 100 grams of minced beef and cook on a high heat until it is brown. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and once you've mixed this in, you can add a bit of water or just leave it to bubble on a low heat. Once this is softened, add into a blender and blend until smooth. In another blender, add 75 grams of overcooked pasta, 75 millilitres of hot water, 20 millilitres of cream and 30 grams of cheese, and blend until smooth. Layer up into a lasagna and optionally serve with black pepper.